Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the MACD2 indicator for MT5. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the MACD2 indicator from the indicator list to your MT5 chart. I would also like to recommend you a channel where guys use sentiment approach to analyze forex market, publish forecasts and analytics on daily basis. Here you will find trading guides and all information needed to start using sentiment analysis in your trading. Live analytics and forex daily forecasts with success rate tracking. Examples of live trades with use of the sentiment analysis. Weekly dashboard of currency pairs direction so you can plan your trading week. And of course, comment section under each post. Subscribe to this useful Telegram channel right now by the link in the description below. The MACD2 is an updated and improved version of the standard MetaTrader 5 MACD oscillator. And no matter which trading approach you're using, swing, intraday or long-term trading, the indicator can be a nifty complement to your trading system. MACD2 has a number of advantages over the standard MACD. First, the indicator draws colored clouds, like the fast EMA and the slow EMA. Entry signals are generated when the cloud changed its color. And second, the histogram volumes have 4 colors. If the volume color is brown or violet, only selling should be considered. On the other hand, if the volume color is blue or light blue, you should consider a buy trade. While the MACD has a common volume histogram and one EMA, the MACD2 divides the indicator histogram volumes into bullish and bearish ones, and the cloudy moving average provides a larger number of prospective entry points for trading. So how to trade with MACD2 indicator? As you can see on the chart, the uptrend line serves here as an additional technical analysis tool. We should look for buying opportunities only until it's broken below. This chart shows us buying friendly conditions made up for the combination of the blue histogram volumes, the bullish trend line and the signal generated by the MA indicator. Stop loss for a prospective trade should be placed beyond the trend line, and position can be closed after hitting the maximum overbought readings. In the indicator settings, we can change the MACD periods to get less false signals. And also in the color tab, we can customize the appearance of the indicator to your liking. For example, like this. The MACD2 indicator is a great alternative to the standard MACD that you would like to use in your trading. MACD2 for MT5 generates technical analysis signals for trading based on moving averages and the volume histogram. Thanks to visual and noticeable signals, you will always be aware of the most profitable trade entry points. Moreover, you can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.